Welcome. If you're looking to take control of the comments section on your Facebook page and stop the platform from automatically showing the most relevant comments first, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest steps to hide the most relevant comments first on your Facebook page using your PC. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu with all your available pages. Next, select the page you want to manage by clicking on its profile photo. This will take you directly to your page's main dashboard. From here, look for your page's profile photo again and give it a click. This will bring up your page's menu and settings options. Now, it's time to dive into the settings. Click on Settings and Privacy, and then select Settings from the expanded menu. This will open the main settings panel for your page, where you can customize a variety of features. Scroll down the settings menu until you find the section labeled Follower and Public Content. Click on this option to access the settings related to how people interact with your page's posts. Within this section, you'll see an option called Show Most Relevant Comments First. By default, this setting is usually enabled, meaning Facebook decides which comments are shown at the top of your posts. To change this, simply toggle the setting off or disable it. And that's it. Now your page will display comments in chronological order, giving you and your followers a more transparent and straightforward view of the conversation. This simple change can help you better manage discussions and ensure everyone's voice is heard equally. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making the most out of your social media experience. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.